Welcome back to the channel once more. It's going to clean up a sensor because I was cleaning up the sensor for a friend's Camry that was going badly, didn't run as it should at all. So I just found out that we could clean it up very easy. So the MAF sensor, the sensor who check the air coming in to the car engine from the air filter and in. So now I'm going to do the same on this Land Cruiser, just because everything else in this car have been very dirty. So now I'm going to check this. Because this MAF sensor is going out. But of course in here everything is dirty. The first we have to do is remove these clips. Yeah. It's only two small screws. Hopefully it's not ruined. One screw in the back, put it on a safe place. One screw in the front. There. Then the sensor is coming out easily. Okay. Not sure if you're seeing it good. But this sensor here is dirty. On the back side it's okay, it's dirty there too. And since this one is standing here, the air is coming in this way and some is blowing up to some sensors lying up here. It's very difficult to see it here, but I have some picture from the other car. It's exactly the same system. Now we use the brake fluid cleaner here to try to It's a little difficult to see it with the hard contrast here. In here, this one was completely dirty on both sides. And the sensor up here is so small, so difficult to see, that I can't see how much I've done. But at least I think this is going to work much better now. Now that is lying drying for some minutes, just cleaning off here. It's very simple. Just put it back. Same place. One screw in the back. Or this is the back side, we can say. Seeing all the Camry sensor, it was good to put in a little on both sides. No point over tightening. Yeah, just put back this one. Look, it's in there. Then that sensor is cleaned up. Now I can just go in and start up. I believe the mix in this engine is going to be different now than before. So let's see. Yeah, then we're going to test if it wants to start, if I have power. That's the one thing. And it slowed down much faster. Go down right away. As you were seeing, the car started right away. And also the engine zone, or someone call it noise, so easily. It's much nicer. Seems like it was slowing down much faster. I haven't started it for at least a week. Slow down the RPMs very fast. And this reparation, fixing, was taking around, because of the sun and the drying time, in work time, maximally 10 minutes, and then a little drying time in between there. So if you see 15 to 20 minutes with drying time, putting in, I used brake cleaning fluid from a place called Bildilla in Norway and Sweden and things. It's a Swedish company selling all kinds of things. They have, I see some videos in the net. They use CRC MAF cleaning, special spray that is supposed to be perfect. They say, some say you shouldn't use the brake cleaner, but maybe they should check a little more about which brake cleaning agents they talk about, because the one I get here is made to be safe for plastic, safe for metallic, and cleaning out and drying up without putting any residue or film or nothing. It's supposed to be clean after. That is important. And not touching the sensors by hand or anything like that. Just get it on so it start loosening up a little and blow off with more. Then just use, maybe I used half a box, but a cleaning agent is around 40 Norwegian kroner for one box. So I used half of it. And we used the same on a Toyota Camry for a friend. And I'm going to use the same on my Camry. And also have a couple of Celicas and things standing here. I'm going to go over the same service on everyone, because his Camry was not driving as it should. And we cleaned up that sensor. After that it was working perfectly. My Camry is okay, but I'm going to check it anyway and just clean up, so it not build up to be a problem. Also the Celicas, I have one of the Celicas is not driving as it should at all. So this is a very, very simple job, and very, very simple. 20 Norwegian kroners, more or less $2 in the chemicals. 2 screws, take off 1 connector, clean off, let it dry up, put in 2 screws back. Seriously, just go out and check your cars. This is too simple to not do it. Go out and check. If it's dirty, I'm going to put in some picture, close-up picture from the sensor on the Camry in this video, because I was taking some very close-ups, and this sensor was not cleaner than that one. This one was dirty on both sides. So you're going to see, because this is a job you just have to go out and do. can't do it wrong. I can't understand it's possible to do this wrong. The engine it should be very good for your engine to get the information that the brain of your engine used to put in gasoline or diesel. If you get wrong information there, then you start with a problem. And that problem is coming on to the rest of the engine, building up dust and soot and burning particles and all kinds of shit. So please, listen to me. Go out and check on these engines. A lot of the Toyotas, they're lying on the top. It's very simple. So, thank you. Have a nice day in the garage. Go out and check your car. This is maybe more or less as important as the rest of the service jobs. So, hope you liked this video, and please subscribe to my channel, put a comment, do all that things, because it helped me make more video. And if it helped some guys out there fixing their problem cheap, then that make me happy. So, okay, thank you.